In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check total money spent on your Steam account. Begin by launching the Steam application on your computer. Click on Help in the top left corner of the Steam window, and then select Steam Support from the drop-down menu. On the Steam Support page, click on My Account under Account Issues. Scroll down the page until you find data related to your Steam account, and then click External Funds Used. The total amount of money you've spent on your Steam account will be displayed. And that's it. You've now checked how much money you've spent on your Steam account. Reflect on your spending and consider liking, commenting, and subscribing for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.